another quick thing about the room. What are these things for? Obviously we've got the toilets and that over there, but if you do know what they're for, let me know in the comments below. Eva thinks, what do you think they're for?
I don't really know, maybe change the temperature or something, but...
Change the temperature of the tap maybe, but...
I'm not sure.
No idea. If you know, let us know in the comments. Having a little walk out. Very nice little sunrise we got. Eva's looking very nice as well. Look at these hotel rooms and everything like that. They're very nice, aren't they?
Lovely and white and clean looking.
Yeah, very indeed. So we've ended up at a place that does an English breakfast for €5. Let's go. And then, just to top it off, they do coffee cocktails. €7. Let's get one of them. So the espresso martini has come out first before the breakfast.
Oh, lovely. Thank you.
Irish coffee.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And the Irish coffee, of course. Right, let's give this a go. Cool. There's definitely coffee in there. Yeah, it's really nice. It's not as creamy as I thought it would be, but that's what you need in the morning, definitely.
Yeah, that wakes you up.
Very
some.
nice aftertaste. Really liking that, yeah. Lovely.
I'm going to give it a little stir. I've never tried an Irish coffee before, so it's my first. Oh, it's hot. I expected it to be cold for some reason. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, very strong.
Very strong
Very
coffee.
of coffee, yeah. I can't taste the Irish.
Let's have a little go. Irish coffee. Cheers to myself. Let's go. God, fucking hell, sweet.
Doesn't need sugar.
You said it's strong. It's sweet.
No, well, I'm not a coffee drinker really, so
Yeah, fucking hell, that's sweet. All right, try some of this, boy.
I will be.
All right, give her a go.
I wish I got one of those.
I knew you'd say that.
Well,
straight
I
away.
did think that was going to be cold. I didn't know what to expect. It is very tasty, but this is nicer. Yeah, I really like this.
All right, well, get your chops off it. They've just brought out some sauces and everything for us as well. Brilliant. This is £4.28 British pounds, €5, and look how much you get.
Brilliant.
You've got
This is
the-
why I want to move to Spain.
Yeah, this is. I mean the sausages don't look that great, but
Well, no, they don't have proper
you know,
pork
for
sausages.
£4.28, this is good. So let's have a little look. Oh, fuck off, fly! My eggs escaped. Got a little hair there. That's nice, isn't it? But for £4.28, I'll have a hairy egg. Let's have a go. Nice hairy egg. Bit of beans and the sausage.
They won't be proper pork sausages.
That's the sausage.
That's like a hot dog sausage.
Yes, it is. A frankfurter, but fuck off. Do you see that?
Yeah.
The fly just went away bread, and if it goes on that again, I'm seriously going to spread it in and eat it.
Oh, you were rank.
Bacon.
Dip it in the egg.
Looks a little bit underdone. I prefer it a little bit more well done, yeah. Egg looks great, look. I'm going to dip that toast in there. I don't think I'm going to use the butter. I don't know why they put it on the plate like that. That's quite strange.
They do that in England.
Yeah, but not... Yeah. They don't involve it with the beans, do they?
Oh,
Some
stop
gardeners.
complaining.
Yeah. Not great on the bacon. Fuck off. Not getting none. Hey. Oh my god. It's on yours now. It's on your bacon. Yep. Not great. Mushrooms.
like we said though, for £4.28 you can't really complain too much.
No, I'm doing a little bit of complaining, but
Yeah, of course.
then again, you know, it is £4.28. You can't really complain for that. Eva's got a flight on her finger while recording. Bean to beans. It's nice.
Beans, tomatoes,
Last thing I'm going to try is... I'm not going to try them tomatoes because they're always lovely anyway. From Spain. Got to dip in that egg with this bread. Toasted. Star of the show. Very nice. Yep. Loving that. And I'm loving the drink. And the drink costs more than this. Let's go. Eva started doing what I should have done. Let's start. And just season it.
A little bit of salt on that egg and the mushrooms. I'm going to try a bit of this Frankfurt.
Yeah.
Bit of that, a bit in the egg.
Yeah.
They don't look particularly appetising, but they are nice. Very salty, I must say.
Yeah, well, you just put some salt on
I didn't
the
put
plate,
salt
so-
on the sausage.
No, but...
Bit of beans, bit of mushroom.
Yeah.
Yep. I must say I do
You
like
see
my
the
bacon.
Espanol flag in the background there? They are
Yeah, it's-
kicking off at 7 p.m. tonight, actually.
Yeah, we'll watch that and hopefully they
Portugal versus
win because
Spain.
it will be really good to see the locals' reaction.
Yeah.
Right, let's try a bit of this bacon. I do like it crispier than this, but I
Could
think
be
I'll
better,
give that
hey?
a miss.
Yeah, could be better.
Gaff.
Yeah, it's on my arm.
Like
now.
Ali said, the tomatoes always taste lush and they're seasoned with some oregano by the looks of things.
Fly keeps landing on my head, mate. I'm gonna... Fuck.
Very nice. Right, we're going to enjoy this.
Yeah, we're going to enjoy this without the fly because I'm literally going to burn it in a minute. Right, well, I'll give the breakfast a 6.5 out of 10. It was decent enough. Wasn't too much complaining, but there was complaining. This, however, gets a 9 from me, which is very nice. Very nice espresso martini type coffee thing in the morning, you know. What about you?
So for me, I'd probably give the breakfast about a 5, just because I didn't like the bacon. And,
She didn't like
you know,
bacon
I didn't
either.
I didn't like much of it. I like the sausage and stuff, but with the drink and everything and the price included, I would have to knock it up to a 7, just because of how cheap it is. You can't really complain. I did enjoy it. It's just obviously not going to be as good as a proper English breakfast, but yeah. I mean,
She also buttered her toast.
yeah.
How was that?
Yeah, it was nice. It's butter, and bread.
Buttered bread and toasted.
It's not much like special, but yeah, it was nice. And like I said, because of the price, I've bumped up the score because that is really decent. But yeah, it's filled a hole. I'm ready to start my day properly. Nice one.
Yeah, I'm no longer yawning. Let's go.
Not after that espresso, I should think so.
That was lovely. Let's get out of here. About to check out Mum and Dad's little room now. Let's have a little look, shall we? So this is a view from Mum's and Dad's. We've got to go up the stairs though first.
Oh, yes, sir. Just showing another view right there.
Alright.
Your nicer.
Oh, look at a bath.
Well,
Yeah, it's nice. Got a sink and everything going on. Toilet. Bidet. Yeah.
Just laying there.
Ooh, we've got a sofa as well, look. Let's go.
I like
The TV's a little bit bigger than ours as well.
Yeah, this is in the shade fairly.
We haven't got.
have a little look.
Their room is better than ours.
Look at this for a view. Oh yeah. Nice sea view, isn't it? Lovely stuff. And a view of people that sit there. Hello. Right, I've never seen one of these before, but Harry, Bo, you got fucking things in there as well, the beds. Let's give them a go.
Right, there we go.
Up it pops.
Yeah.
Let's give her a little razz, shall we? Oh, sweet.
I don't think that'd be quite too nice. Not keen on that, are you?
Sure on that one.
Let's have a go then.
You have a go, son. What you look?
No.
Mum has a go.
I don't like that.
Bit sweet, isn't it? Compared to the Smartie ones you used to get. That's what I was searching for, actually, a Smarties one, but unfortunately not.
It's alright when you get... go like this. It's not very nice, but
Alright, when you get this.
if you bite it, that's a bit
Alright,
better.
mate, alright. See you later.
Who's gonna get in the pool?
Yeah, I'm getting in the pool now.
Go on, big boy.
Call me big boy sunshine. Glass is gone.
Nice.
Right. I took out some water. I'd like to thank Ben from Kit You Out for making these proper lovely stuff. Beach towels. Make sure you contact him for all printing needs because he does large format like this as well as just t-shirts and pretty much jumpers and anything you need really. So yeah, hit him up. Let's go.
Get me in the background when he dives in.
Yeah.
Right, let's go have a look at the bar. Me and Dad have had enough of looking at these two fucking wankers.
These two whales, who's about to say.
Wankers, I said. So we've got some mini sliders here. We'll have a little cheeky go on them, won't we? Right,
Okay.
so merch on, proper love stuff. Yeah. So you go to etsy.com/proper lovely stuff. Get in. Come on, get your summer stuff in.
Yep.
Right, so basically this is a mini burger, basically. You have a little look in there. It's a slider. Can you get me? It's a slider, basically. So we'll have a little go. Do you know what? I nearly just fucking fucked myself right up there because I didn't realise that was in there.
I did tell you to take it out. Plankton.
Yeah, Dad's recording at the moment, so. But yeah, actually, really nice. Didn't really want to go for a full burger, so I thought a couple of sliders would be alright. Let's try the chips. Very salted already, as you can see.
Very nice.
Very hot. Got hardly any skin on them at all. You just bite straight through it there. Quite nice, very nice. Alright, well, I rate this one 8.5. Or, yeah, around 8.5. Pretty nice. Like the drink as well. Look, we've got again.
A pina colada. Again.
Colada, yeah. That's fucking lovely. You know, that's just tastes like milkshake. Again, we had it yesterday, but really, really good. Love it. I love these. Hello, Mum. There she is.
Getting whisked out to sea.
Whoa.
See you later, Tash.
What an amazing beach. Got a lot of people in there. Oh yes. Look at this. Oh yeah.
That one of them is like infatuated with you. Do you know what I mean? Like, why don't you even guess them just a little bit?
As you can see, my foot went straight through the slider, so I was in a proper pickle here.
Over now. Jim and his little Walter White hat. Get the glasses on. Oh, got any crystal meth?
Yeah, I did look a little bit like Walter White, to be fair. So, we,
Having a pizza party.
yeah, well, we've got a pizza again.
Mind the step, young man.
I've minded the step. Right, in we go.
Young man.
So, the first time we got a pizza from here was lovely. So we decided to get again.
That's the one I picked. That's Sicilian.
Sicilian pizza.
Oh, wow.
And we've got a 4 cheese one. Look at the size of that, boy.
Wow, they both look. This one looks great. This one's got peppers, mushrooms, and chorizo.
Look at that.
Oh, that looks
Wow.
great.
Look at both of them. They look sick.